Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the structure of present indefinite tense. I have already told you about the different uses of present indefinite tense. Today we will discuss about its structure. First one is here affirmative sentences. Students, see the structure. First of all, we will write subject, then verb with s or es plus object. We will use first form of the verb here. And in case of third person singular, we will use s or es with first form of the verb. What are here third person singular? He, she, it, or any name. Name of any singular person, name of any place, or name of any thing. See the first example. I run very fast. I am using only first form of the verb here. Why? Because I is first person. Second one is here, she cooks dinner every day. See, it is showing her habit that she cooks dinner every day. Here we are using s with cook. Cook is first form of the verb, but we are using s with it. Why? Because she is third person singular. Now see the third example, he goes to temple every day. He, again, here is third person singular, so we are using es with go. Now, see the second type, it is negative sentences. Negative sentences are those sentences in which we are using the word no, not, or never. See the structure, subject plus do or does plus not plus first form of the verb plus object. When we are using do or does in any of the sentences, at the time we will use first form of the verb. We are not going to write s or es with v1. Do or does are the helping verbs which we are going to use in negative and interrogative sentences. Does with the third person singular, and with rest of the subjects we will use do. Ram does not take bath every day. See, we are writing here Ram does not take. Why take? Because we are already using here does. So with does, first form of the verb will be there, and Ram is third person singular, so we are using does. Ram does not take bath every day. See the second sentence, you do not brush your teeth regularly. Here you is second person, and we are using first form of the verb brush. Why? Because do is here in the sentence. You do not brush your teeth regularly. Now come there on the third sentence. She does not speak politely. Again she is third person singular, so she does not speak politely. So students, third one is interrogative sentences. See the structure here, do or does plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object. But interrogative sentences are here of two types. First one, which can be answered in yes or no. See the example here, do you sing a song? Here you can answer yes or no. But the second one is here, where do you live? Here only yes or no is not sufficient. So you are supposed to answer properly here. So first interrogative sentence is where we are using helping verb in the very beginning, and second one when we are starting our sentence with WH family words. Students, last one is negative interrogative sentences. In these sentences, we will use do and does in the very beginning, then subject plus not plus first form of the verb plus object. This type of sentences, they are the combination of negative and interrogative sentences. We are using both not as well as helping verb here. See the first example, do you not know your address? Here we are using do in the very beginning, then subject is here you, and we are using do with you. Why? Because you is second person, then not, and then first form of the verb know your address. Does she not sit properly? Again we are using does with she because she is third person singular, and after she we are using not because here in the structure you can see that not is mentioned after the subject, and sit is first form of the verb because does is already mentioned here in the sentence. Students, I have written some sentences here for you. This is your homework. Read the sentences very carefully and fill in the blanks with the help of the verbs given in the brackets. Students, here is a table for you. Read this table time and again. It will give you a clear idea about what we have discussed here in this video. Thank you.